Hello everyone. Now we are starting the last part of the last part of this informal thing of the dog breeds app. So it's pretty exciting because we have come quite far. Let's add our finishing touches. So far, yeah, this is the app. Yeah, and you click on it, it shows you the images. Wow, these have many images. Yeah, this kind of error might happen. But I'm pretty excited today. It's because I've actually found a way that might work on how to curve these images. We were struggling with it, in probably two of the previous times. So now let's go to our dog card and where it has the custom image. Here, so if this works, if we wrap this within a clip R rect and add a border radius here. And add K default border radius. Let's see if this works. Okay, it worked in the video and it didn't work for us. So exactly what they did, they wrapped it within a, no, this didn't work. Well, that's sad. So what we can do is, let's test it out. Return a container. Container, let's add color red. Oh, yeah, the app is not running. Let us run the app. Ah, the app isn't running. Oh my gosh. So this change won't appear. So we'll get this app to run and then we'll check if this clip are rect, if it works. Because in the video that I saw, which I was just going across a video, a very nice video, I forgot by whom, but it's like basically 10 most important Flutter widgets. And it's like a 17 to 18 minute, I think 16 to 17-minute long video. And there that person explains with some very important widgets. And I found this very helpful, this clip R rect. So we use clipped R rect for our list view. You can see this. Yeah, if you notice now, it follows, like it gets clipped here along the edges of this container. So if you don't do clip r.rect, then even though you have a border radius on the container, the list view, which is child of that container, will actually, it won't be cut. So you'll have these portions here. So we need to do that clip. So the container and the list view, they have the same border radius. And so it works. So I'm pretty excited to see. Yeah, now it will return this red container, which is of no use to us. So let us delete this, or let us comment this out quickly. Yeah, let it run, let it do its thing. Skipped 161 frames. Too much work on the main thread. One of the things in app development, especially in the early parts of it, when I was starting out with Android, one thing I learned was don't try to build the perfect app. Try to learn things from the app, and then by the time you'll realize that you'll be a step closer to perfection without actually actively trying for it. It didn't work. But the video made it work. The video made it work. Good. Let's see. Okay, this clip rect didn't work. So we'll take this container. Let's show the container itself. And let us wrap this within a clip rect. And here let's add border radius k default border radius. Will it work in the container? So it works in the container. So you wrap anything within this clip rect, it should work. So why isn't it working here? Let's try to fix it. Looks like the default only works for the top and bottom, so we actually have to Control P. What else does it have? Placeholder, arrow widget. Oh wow, you can even do ease out, fade out curve, fade in curve. So that's like for animations, height, width, fit alignment, repeat, fit alignment, cache manager, use old image and URL change, false, color. So this will be some background color. All right. So that means it takes this much size, right? Flutter inspector. Let's reload this. And I want to see the size of our custom image. Okay, what about cache network image? So cache network image is tall. That's why it isn't working. Cache network image is tall. So even though we add the border radius to it, it doesn't work. And the color, it only matches this. So, all right, so never mind that. I still don't know how to fix it. So as I just mentioned, let's not try to build a perfect app. We'll just try to build a good app, and over time, we'll realize that, hey, you know what? Why don't you do this? And it'll actually work. That'll only come with time. We can't force it soon. So we have this now. We have some origins here. Now, next, let us start to work on our page here. So let's try to not focus on just one thing and make it perfect. Let's try to focus on the overall picture and try to make a decent app like a decent app. Head over to the docs. Let's see what all it returns. So breed group. Breed group is usually one word. So I was thinking of this actually. Let's create like a container. So DogScreen. DogScreen. All right, so here's a list view. Okay, a list view. This is a list view. So here you have a row. You have origins bar. Before the row, let's add one more widget, a card widget, or just a container. Container. Inside the container, we'll add a text, child, text, and text will be, let's just see toy. Or let's actually do dog dot, what's it called, breed group. Let's see how it looks. we have toy. We have here in the container, let's do text align. How big is the container? Let me see color. The container is all the way wide. Is there something cross axis? No. So cross axis alignment in list view. Yep. All right. Let's try to see. So I want to give a small card that says toy. So I'm just thinking of ways on how to do it. To container, we have a text. So one thing you can do to center the text, you can do text align. Oh, I mean inside the text. Align, center. Yes, we can add styles to it, but how do we get the container to shrink? Color of this, let's add blue. Does it take the whole space? Takes the whole space. Instead of container, let us wrap this within a row. Children. Control S. And now we'll do row, main axis, alignment, center. This text, wrap it within a container. Let's give color a red. Let's see what will be the thing. Good. Good. Alright, so we got this to work. I know there's a simpler way, but for now let's use a row. There must be some widget, but I don't know how to use that. So now that we got this, we can add an elevation to this. No elevation. Alright, we have child at least. Let us style this. Let's add a thof.texttheme dot. Let's add a line 6. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Overline. No. Caption. No. Right, headline 6. Headline 5. Headline 6. All right, now next thing is this container. We have to first give it some kind of padding. So all, and let's give it 20 padding. Too much. Let's give 10. Let's see how 10 will look. See, now that I think of it, 20 seemed correct actually. Now to this we have to so I want to add like a border, or what if we make this a card? I really don't want it to be a card. Then it takes the whole space. So here you have elevation. What's the default? I think 1. Let's give it a 5. That's too much. 3. We'll see how a 3 will look. Padding. We'll wrap this within a padding. 20. Oh no. I always make some mistake like this. Not this within a padding, but the text within a padding. Oh, so we need symmetric. Horizontal 20. Vertical 10. And now to the card we'll add this padding. We can add 10. Seems okay. This toy for this card, can we add a color? Color THOF or light, primary light. Text color white. Doesn't look good. So maybe we have to change this to primary. Or maybe change this to accent. No. What's the metric card's color? Key accent 100, right? So it doesn't look the same. Maybe I'll change the text color back to black. Dog card. Dog card. Wait. Not dog card, DogScreen. Let's change this. Remove this dot apply. Now it looks the same. and we'll make these two metric cards. Let us change the color to white. Oops. I think I forgot to commit it on Git. Oh no, not white, I mean primary. Or light, primary light. Doesn't look good, right? We need like a lot of green in the app. So I will still stick with key accent 100. 100. And as I said, we won't go for the perfect app. Let's go for a decent app. And this toy, we can change this. So DogScreen. Change this color to okay. What about primary color? Primary color, okay, and change this to apply white. Primary color. So let's change this to text dog breed group. Add $sign. And we'll center this. Yeah, I like this origin thing. Let us center everything. So origins bar, we will take it as a column. This row, main axis, center. Maybe this card also, it looks good with something else. Well, as I said, not perfect. Let's go step by step. Let's add a sized box in our dog screen. Here, we need to add a sized box. Height 10. So let's wrap everything within cards. That's a good idea. We'll wrap those in like white cards. Similar to this. So origins card, origins bar, this column. Let's see if this works. Yeah, but we need it to be the smallest. Wrap it within a row. Then main axis, center. Padding to the column. What did we add there? We added 20? No, I think we did symmetric, vertical 10, horizontal 20, or the opposite way. Let's add primary color light to this card. More elevation is needed. So this card, if you notice elevation, it takes in a padding. This row, then we need this padding. So actually we can expose this. Let's create a new card called wrapped card. Dot file, wrapped card, stateless, import material. Now it will return what we just did just now. Row, children. Within children, we had a card. Right, within card we had a widget, child, alt insert, constructor. Just do this. All right, child. Now main axis alignment, center. So now when the elevation of the card is 5. 5. Anything else? Padding. Wrap the child of the card with padding. With symmetric. Vertical 10, horizontal 20. Right, so now let us take this column, this row, Control X, and we'll return a wrapped card. The text in child is this. Oh, yeah, actually this. The wrapped card I wanted to have curly braces. Control Alt L. Still nothing should change. Now let's wrap this toy dog also. So in DogScreen, size box 10, and this row, of these two metric cards. Then we have this long stuff here. Padding card elevation 3. Oof, what do we have here? Row center. Then in that we have padding 10. Wow, what's going on here? We just need to wrap this text, Control C. Let me comment this whole part out. So I'm not really sure what that is. And we'll use a wrapped card. And child, copy just what we copied now. Let me see what's going on. Yep. Oh, errors. Oh, yep. Let's add a comma. Okay. So a couple of things. This, for now, let's not do anything. All right, just have that. I have a sized box here. So DogScreen, we have this. Control X, let me paste it here at the bottom. Just in case we might need it. So we have a wrapped card for this. We'll give it a sized box then. Height 10. Then we have a row of these cards here. Then height box, then origins. Let's give it a go. Right, we have this. After origins, then let's have a new look. Third docs. Lifespan. Name, origins, then temperament. Ooh, temperament. So, you know the drill. Actually, instead of having these sized boxes, let us add like, margins or, like a padding at the top and bottom of the card itself. So we won't need these sized boxes. We'll stick wrapped card, wrap the row within a padding. What's the padding? It is all, let's see, how will all 10 look? Seems okay. What if we change this container of DogScreen to primary? I'm jumping too quickly between places. But instead of white, let us see what happens if we do it to primary. Dot primary color. Into accent 100. No, accent shouldn't be used here. Primary. THOF. Let's just leave it to white. It seems okay for now. Next, origins. Next, we were doing temperament. So wrapped card, then row of these metrics. Then we have origin bar. And let's just call this origin card now, actually. Origin card. And then we'll call this metrics card or metrics bar. Control X. New start file metrics bar stateless metrics bar import material import the necessary stuff. Now dog. Okay, takes in a dog. All right, so let's do final dog import alt insert. All right, metrics bar is okay. Over here, DogScreen, where we cut everything. Assign metrics bar, and for the dog import Control Alt L. Everything works here. Now wrapped card. So okay, we have one for the text. We have metrics bar. We have origin card. Next, let's have something called temperaments. So let's do a wrapped card. Child of the wrapped card. So within the wrapped card, we want let's do temperaments. So we'll in origins card actually, and copy some code from here. And if it works, we'll make it a separate widget. DogScreen. Yeah. Now this row will be different. Should be a text. Dog dot temperament. Oof. Oh, we wrapped a wrap card within a wrap card. Why is it going off screen? Oh. So card, in a wrapped card, let's not have a row, let's have a column. Column cross axis alignment will be stretch. Maybe this will solve it. Good. Oh. Not stretch, center. Not even center. Wait. How do we stop this? Or you know what? Why do we even have this? Why do we have this weird looking metric card here? Why? It makes sense, right? Why do we have this? Let's have uniform, these long tiles that span the entire screen. That makes total sense. That actually makes total sense. Or what if we give wrapped card color, key accent 100. Usually when I press Ctrl S, it usually saves a screenshot, which I don't think happened. Ctrl S, Ctrl Z. Oh, I press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is zoom. So first things first, let's change this height card. Let's do heights bar, metrics bar. Ctrl X. Here will return a row. Children. Here will return a wrapped card. Child. Let's take the code from DogScreen. Oh, now I have to see. Okay, the first metric card will be height. This will be dog.height. Let's do imperial. IMPERAL. Closing brace. Inches. Metric. CM. And the problem with this is in a metric card we had a different style. So let's use that style. Height gets headline 6. Let's give this headline 5. Style THOF.text theme. Headline 5. Oh, just a minute. And we are back. So all right, so now let us Yeah, so we were here. We get this column, wrap card that has this column here in this row. This is for the height. Next, we need one wrapped card for the weight. Oh, what happened? So let's change everything to weight. And now access the weight properties. And weight imperial LB kg. And let's see how it looks. Wait, what happened here? Wrapped card is, it should be green. Any errors here? Or some null? Hey. I really don't see how this could cause any problem. Something is wrong with our metrics bar. Because ever since we added this, stuff fell out. So cross axis, okay. So let's remove our metrics bar and then let's see what happens. So DogScreen, maybe have a metrics bar. So metrics bar is causing some problem. So what is happening? Box contains infinite width. All right. So this row, you have a wrapped card. So let's have a look at wrapped cards properties. Wrapped card has a column stretch. Yeah, that's the thing. So column stretch. Wait. So now we are having a column. So why can't we just wrap it within an expanded widget? Let's have a go with it. Control S. Let's see what happens here. Everything will go away. Okay. We get this. Now the reason this is not expanding, let's wrap this within an expanded widget. So these two become expanded. Problems? Why is that? Okay, let's remove this. Now, with the metrics bar, we have a row. So now here we can do, here we can do expanded. This I'm pretty sure would work. Yep. The app is fine. The app is fine. I'm laughing too much. Gotta stay focused. Wrap bar. Shadow color. Yes. This is what I wanted. Let's do primary. Primary color. Doesn't look good at all. What if this is white? This might look good. Another shadow. I mean, if this is white, and if this is dot primary color, doesn't look good at all. The shadow has to be black. Or maybe if this is accent. Okay, accent 100. Just messing around with these colors. No. Let's stick with our what we had before. This. Or this. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Let me view both these screenshots. Wow, it's taking a long time. Well, let's give it some time. Let's wait. And you won't believe it, but there's an SSD on this computer. It's not a hard drive. It's taking so long. Maybe there's some error with the program that's being used. Yeah. Maybe there's some random error. Let's see. This or this. This, yeah, the green one, of course, looks. I mean, now that I see it, not of course. I hate this word, of course. I try to stay clear of it. Oh no, we need this. Of course, seems too derogatory, or you being too contemptuous. You're putting somebody down as if they don't know it. Yeah, I just try to steer clear from it. Like when I see Patty from accounts, walk in, and she with her beef breath steer clear. I make an excuse. Hey, I gotta go to the infirmary, and I just take a right turn and head down to the infirmary in the office. You have an infirmary in the office? Oh, hell yeah. What's an infirmary? That was a good time to see what's an infirmary. A hospital. Well, now I know. Like Trevor Noah's segment. Well, if you didn't know, then now you know. Well, all right, so now we have this. In our metrics bar, is to expand it, let's add a sized box of height 10. Some space here. Oh, wait, we have a row. Oh, not here. Here. Oh, there's a size box here of 20 between height or width. Height. $20 seems too drastic, or maybe seems correct. This seems natural. Let's stick with a 10, height 10. Urgence, temperament. So let's create a bar. I mean, called couple of things now. There's urgence. Let's create a bar. Because you notice like it's like 1 and then 2. So so we'll create a new widget, creating multiple widgets here. A new widget called what's it called, like title description, title DESC, wrap card, stateless, title, wrap card, import from material. And now this wrap card will actually have, let's go to origins bar, or basically in our DogScreen, here we have this, right? We'll have to take this wrapped card, Control C, title desk, Control V. So now here there's like a text widget, right? Text. So usually the top is always a text. Final string title, final widget description, constructor, title description. Let's wrap them within curly braces, import. Now this text will be title. Now this here will be what? You want another string? So we'll take in widget description. Final string desk string. So here we have to do so we can either pass in a description widget or description string. So let's do, I'm not if, so let's see if and the desk string is equal to null, or basically if it's not equal to null, then display disk, else display text widget that has the desk string, has a text desk string, and style will be thof dot text theme dot 41, Control Alt L. So now we have this title desk wrapped card. Now we can go back to our DogScreen, and here we have this temperament thing. Now we can change this to a title desk wrapped card that takes in a title. This temperament. I spelled it wrong, by the way. Here I spelled it wrong. Next, now for the description, we want test. So I mean, let's do this. String. We'll do dog.temperament. Good, we can get rid of all this code here. Size box 20, good. That simplified things. Temperament, origins card. Do you want an origins card? Let us connect the charger. So do we need an origins thing here? Oh, origins card, we need to generate this whole thing. Yeah, let's keep origins card here. Oh, origins card, instead of wrapped card, we have this whole thing. Let us return the new thing, right? New. So here we'll return our title desk wrapped card, and title will be origins, and desk, it's a widget which will be a row. Children will be not this one, be flag views. Click on this. So we took care of this. Go back to DogScreen. We have a metrics thing here. We have a, just a minute, I'll just be back. And I'm back. I'm taking these short breaks to rejuvenate myself. Or as George Lansky from Conan O'Brien would say, prepare my body in various ways. Yeah, that was from the Conan episode when Conan catches George Lansky coming in late. Because George Lansky usually likes to drift in late on Fridays. That's pretty much the exact words from Conan O'Brien's, his episode. I just took it verbatim. Temperament. We have our. Looks like I'm screaming to the computer. Temperament. Now we have our temperament. We have a DogScreen temperament. I would say softly to temperament. We have. Sure, you have any questions? I'll answer the questions. Much more positive. But this is not about positivity, folks. Yeah, this is the way I would like to run my show. It's not your show. It's not your show. Yeah, so why don't you stop whining and complaining like a baby and accept the way my show is? Because it's not your show. It's my show. There's two left. Now it's an empty audience, which I'm quite used to, by the way. Not on purpose, but I had to get used to that because of the recent attendance. And these series are widely attended, which is quite ironic. And also lies, by the way. All right, so yeah, we have a. All right, let's do Control S. Let's see what happens. Oh, it actually worked to a fairly good extent. All right, the body one seems. So first of all, we need some in our title. Why is the size box? Yep, we need height 20. Oh, I think according to this, right? So we need height 10. Height 10. Actually, now that think of it, this height, so this matrix bar, this also can take in and expand it, but we can change this to so here we can do expanded. Let's comment all of this out. Expanded, it'll have a child. This child will be a title wrapped. I'm title desk wrapped card. We'll have a title of height. And let's do a desk, which is a column. Children. And now here we'll copy these two. Will this work? Okay. Cross axis, stretch, center. Yeah. Height card also looks good. Weight. Weight. Let's do the same for weight. We can delete this commented line out. What's the time, by the way? 9:50. Yeah. Usually when we are focused, we usually lose track of time. So, all right, let's copy this whole expanded widget. Control C. Expanded. Let's paste it here. Height, width. No, it's weight. Column. Yeah, WIGHT, 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 imperial metric, LB, kg, kg, style. I think that's it. Control S. All right, seems okay. Origins. I need to fix the origins. Origins bar. Let's check what's going on now. Flag views. This row must have main axis alignment. Center. Temperament. Now, very quickly, I thought about it. Flag views. Let's check our flag view. So it never works. Never works. Let's just give it a try. A flag, what if you wrap it within a clip? R rect. Border radius, will it work? Will it work? Circular, let's give it a 20. See what happens. It worked. But actually, it's best if we don't do that. It messes up the shape. And then, yeah, let the flags be how it is. Now this text here, we can actually make it a little larger maybe. So where's our title desk? All right, here, desk string. Instead of body text 1 desk to headline 5. It'll be like this. For long text, it doesn't look good. Let's try body text 2 maybe. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Text 1 and 5. Doesn't match. Something's like missing. It just doesn't look correct. I really want to learn how to make beautiful layouts. I just can't make beautiful layouts. It just doesn't turn out beautiful. Yeah, I want to learn it. Well, I'm trying my best. Sure, let's just work with this for now. Temperament. Next. DogScreen. We have this temperament, let's do one. Title desk, craft card for, bread for. Title, bread for, desk string, dot bread for. Control S. Sure, I'll live with it. Which is also what my wife says to me. She doesn't treat me with respect. She says she'll live with it. Or maybe she's saying she'll live with IT. She likes ghosts. That makes sense. She's into horror. Now I should know that about her. We are together for about 10 years. Although there was a bit of a rough patch and she went back to her mother's place for 5 years. But technically, officially, legally, we are married for 10 years. Title, what's next? Bred for with the breed group. Lifespan. Desk string. Dog.lifespan. What's next? Origin temperament is done. I think we're done. Wow, that's it. We're done. Only one dog has description. API is fine. It's not the best API. I really appreciate the effort that person has taken. But if you have loose ends that you haven't tied, then we won't like the API. Sorry to say that. This doesn't look good. It just doesn't look good. We have to. I don't know how these designers do it. I really applaud them for their knowledge and how they make UIs look beautiful. It just didn't look good. The fonts are all off and it looks nasty. I'd much rather be in a room with rotten eggs on the ground, or my broken table and like pretty much it's a bad place rather than see this layout. Let's look at it. Let's try to fix it. Let us try to fix it. So first thing, this font. So now wrapped card. Not wrapped card. In our title desk wrapped card. We need this to be okay. Let's change our. Oh, you know what? In the metrics bar, let me change this to body 1. Let's see how it looks on one of them. It's horrible. How about headline 6? Wrapped card, title the scrapped card. Dot apply. Font weight, right? Where's weight? We'll do copy width then. Font weight. Let's give it a bold. W700, I believe, is bold. Font weight really gives some beautiful effects to our UI. Now this headline 6, copy width. Let's go to font weight. $500. No change. Oh, it must be W500 from before. Is it even changing? Oh, I have to look down for it. This looks good. Change the height. So in the constants file, I'll create 2 styles here. Const text style, K title style, text style. Right, text style. Can we do THOR? We can't do it. We can't do it. So we can't do it. All right. So then let's head back over to our title desk. This seems kind of good. And a height. So let's go back to a metrics bar. This, like, we must have some height. I mean, something outside. How do we do that? Flutter. File. Styles file. Alright, so let's not do it in constants. Let's in utils, style utils. Static, their title, text style. You have to pass a build context. Return thof. Now this will work. Dot text style. No. Import. Oh, why did it take Cupertino? We don't need Cupertino. Text theme. Dot copy width. Now we need for title, right? Title was, oh no, not text theme dot. For title, what did we do for title? We did headline 5. Dot copy width, and then we did weight, font weight. We gave it a W700. We gave it a bold font weight. Now title, and we'll do desk. Headline, let's do, let me check, what do we do? Yeah, headline 6, font weight, W400. Let's confirm it in our title desk graph card. W300, headline 6, we'll find it 5763. 5763. Now, here what we'll do is style utils dot, this is a description, so get description textile context. This is title. Get title textile context. Now in our metrics bar, this also uses a couple of things here. This is description, right? Description uses style utils, and the neighborhood style utils. Friendly neighborhood. Oh, look out! Here comes this friendly utils. Get description context. Let's copy this. Save us some time. Because time is money, money is time, and I love money, I love time. I also love Jessica, but she doesn't love me back. That's a whole different story. That's a whole different story, folks. Okay, actually now our app looks a little better, actually. It does look a little better. Now, one thing I have to do is let us make this also. Yeah, no, origins is empty. Breadfast is also empty. Whoa, whoa. We'll live with this app. It's fine. We need to move on, learn more skills, and then at some point, sporting dog. We'll actually create our own API in the future that will serve our needs, because we are relying on the dogs API, which again I thoroughly appreciate and applaud the effort that that person has put in to build this amazing thing, but it just doesn't suit our needs. and there are many like here the origins is empty when it clearly says Dutch Shepherd. Dutch, that should give you a hint. No, so we should just complete the thing. Just complete. I mean, you've already come so far. Just a small push. And also the good thing, which all of us truly love that person for, is it's free. That person offers it for free. The owner or the creator of the dog breed API. Not enough images for such a famous dog breed. The German Shepherd. Come on. Come on. You out of your mind. Get out of here. It's from New York. Get out of here. I'm trying to get that accent going for any of my, if I do like a bit. Get out of here. No, you better get out of here. All right, let's change this card. I'll the scrap card. So if desk is not equal to null, here let's do if. So basically we want to make this also a title desk wrapped card. So we'll do if desk is equal to null and desk string is also equal to null, right? Then here we'll create a final widget called desk to display. Oh, and it can't be final. Oh, yes. So okay, let's keep this here. Widget desk to display. Then desk to display will be a why we've been doing this. Let's see what will happen if we pass both of them to be null. So let's go to our dog screen. Here we have a separate thing for title, right? What breed group, right? Wrap card, let's comment this out. And let us title this wrapped card. And what do you have to pass here? We have to pass title. Title will pass dog dot breed group and nothing will. We won't pass anything else. Let's see what happens. Fail assertion data must not equal to be null. So where is this fail assertion coming from? Title desk wrapped card. Data must not be null. So okay, if desk is not equal to null, it is null. So we print the text here, desk string. So now if we do this is equal to a visibility and just wrap this. Sorry, what wrap this with a child? Text. Oh no, a visibility that has what? Visible is equal to false. Oh no, not desk display. Bool display desk and is equal to desk is equal to null. is equal to null, and desk is equal to null. I actually want to do desk is equal to null first. Just personal preference. Thank you, much obliged. Let me just confirm. So if both of them are null, then you have to desk display should be false. Also, this is not equal to null. Or oops, whoops, yikes. So basically, if anything is not null, then it should be true. But if both of them are null, then don't display. Wrap this thing within a visibility child, and visible will be display desk. All right, let's have a look now. Still no non-null string. Okay, oh, not here. How about now? But we put visibility is equal to false. Oh, one more thing. Sporting dog. The second thing is this visibility should be equal to false. So why is it visible? Let's have a look here. Not equal to this. Or so basically what's happening is if no desk string is passed, then it becomes empty. Right. No, let's do this. If this is equal to null, then empty. Actually, no. Empty. If it's not equal to null, then desk string. Now we can remove this thing here, and now it should work. Yeah. I think the app is done. I think the app is done. Is it a perfect app? No way. Is it a decent app? Sure. Is it a crappy app? Oh no. It's pretty fine. It's pretty decent. Which is a new high for us. Hey, our apps are now pretty decent. Oh wow, you're really getting up the ranks. Still haven't fixed this problem. We don't know how to fix that problem. API is I think I'm blaming the API too much instead of just accepting the fact accepting it the way it is. The next time if you're building an app, we would build our own API. One last thing we can do is add our very favorite hero animations. Let's see if we can add our hero animations. So what we'll do is main screen, or what's it called, home screen. All right. home screen. Wow, so there's a wealth of stuff here. Yikes. Oh, well. All right, now here, let's see where we have our dog card. Dog. Okay, we have a dog card. So in our dog card, we have our name, this text, dog.name. Wrap this within a hero widget. Tag is dog name. Tag dog name. Next. Let's try to do this here. And DogScreen, app bar, this text widget. It may not look good actually. So usually for text, sometimes hero animations don't look good. If that's the case, then we'll change it. Dog name. That's it. It's that easy to build a hero animation. Yeah. So that's not working. Let's see the console. Is there anything? There are multiple heroes share the same tag. Oh, yes. Multiple heroes that share the same tag. So in our dog card, we'll do dog name plus dog name, then we'll do dog dot, and we'll do ID. Then in the dog card, right? Is it dog dot ID? Dog dot ID. Dog name, dog dot ID. Next, in our dog screen, dog name, dog dot ID. Let's have a look now. Yeah, not all of them look good. One thing you can do is slow it down. Yikes. Next thing, let's try to do the image. I don't think this will work though. Let's see. In dog screen, we have a container, images, page view. So where's our custom image view? Custom image. Custom image view. We'll take in this cached image view. Let's do cached. Wrap it within a hero. Let's give it a try if it works or not. We'll just give this image URL. Yep. Dog screen. Where's the image? Or dog card? Dog card. Custom image. Oh, this might work. Hey, this doesn't look perfect. Oh wow. one thing is is let's go to our home screen. I see we download all it displays you. So let's not go too deep and try to solve some problem, create some more bigger problems. Let's just leave it as it is. One thing is we can keep the text styles to be the same. So how do we do that? Let's head over to our dog screen. In the app bar, what's the text style of this? Font weight 24, W700. Control C. Now our dog card. Not headline 6. Not today. So Control S. Still no improvement. So text always doesn't work the way we want it to. So it looks like let's just abandon this idea. Like a slot. And now it's like a normal person. This is good that both of these match. Since we have this constant text style, we can Control X. Constant, let's make it a constant text style. Const text style will be key app bar text style. It will be docker key app bar text style. Or maybe that's too big. Maybe that's too big. Hey, that's what she said. Text theme. Or let's give it a good headline 6. Too small. Too small. Sadly, that's also what she said. I actually think it was headline 6. Style key app bar. Let's see the difference. I actually think I think we should go with this not headline 6, but with this much more uniform app bar text style. So all the text look the same way they should, like they should. Now, how do we change the color of this? How do we change the color? So let's go back to our dog screen. Where did they change the color? Why is this color of this? Oh no, wait, DogScreen. No, we need the app bar. Oh, actually, yeah. How was the app bar? Home screen. Probably to get some insight. So I think that's the default theme then. Oh yes, the default theme color is white. Yeah, I forgot about that. Default theme color is white. Let's take this app bar text style. Let's use the default one. Okay, app bar text style. Same for a dog screen. Nothing will change. Oh, what I was going to say. Let us try to remove that the hero widget for our name. That doesn't seem to work. So let's just commit this whole thing. And if things don't work fine, then we'll. Oh, let's throw in a commit. Right click, open with, show in Explorer. Dog breeds app, let's git bash here as to a git add all git commit dash m finished version with name and image here with hero animations for name and image, hero transitions for name and image. Let's comment dog breeds app, everything seems fine. Just in the future, we are fine. Alt enter for the hero. Let's remove this hero widget for the name. For the dog screen. In a dog card, let us remove the hero widget for our name. Remove Control S. And now it should only be the image. Which actually looks much better in a way. Ooh, wow. Wow. Looks great. A drawing painting. H. I was drawing a painting. All the artist work, I was drawing a painting. All I was drawing a painting. Drawing a painting. For the artist work, I was drawing painting. H. So you think you come, I was drawing a painting. I was drawing a painting out from the Suffolk Massive. So you, thankfully. Now you just trying to get some British accent going. This is pretty a big significant achievement here. We have a pretty, is it good? Just wavering about. It's fine. It's fine. App is fine. Looks okay. We learned a lot. Sure. This is the app. So I think we're done with this. So I'm gonna update the videos on the YouTube channel, and also the code on GitHub. I haven't updated the GitHub and the YouTube channel for 2 days now. So today's will be the third day that I haven't updated. So I will do all of that. And see you tomorrow or whenever it is with the next app, because this is the last video for Dog Breeds app. What a significant journey. So yeah, it's a nice ending, satisfiable ending, pretty fairly good app. And so high hopes for the next app, and we hope everything goes good. Fingers crossed. So cool, pretty excited. Hope you are too. Let me stop the screen share to say thank you for seeing it, and hey, see you soon. Take care.